Mini dramas and short-form series are trending all over the world right now. Just look at this TikTok page. They upload short episodes of mini dramas every single day, and they've built a massive audience. And it's not just this one. Look at this page, and this one too. They're all following the same trend. Now take a look at this video. I created this entire drama using only AI, starting from just a simple idea, with a tool called MovieFlow. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact process of how you can turn your own ideas into complete mini dramas using AI. Let's get into it. Okay, this is the MovieFlow AI homepage. Here, you can access all the powerful AI models to create content. And the video agent can create a video up to 10 minutes long just from an idea. And the MovieFlow Studio is the all-in-one AI film and video creation engine, all inside one platform. I will put the link in the description. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Now here you can create your videos from text. And with AI Video Agent, you can create a 10-minute long video from just an idea. Under that, you will find all the tools and features. At the bottom, you will find all the templates and inspirations. You can select any templates from here and create your content. As I want to create a short drama, I will select the 4 short drama and epic plots template from here. And you can see that the template skill has been added to the video agent. Now we have to enter the script or idea in this box and create up to 10-minute long short drama. However, as we plan to create videos like this TikTok page, we need to create 1 to 2-minute long episodes. So, I created a perfect screenplay using ChatGPT. First, I asked for some ideas for my drama. The GPT gave us so many ideas. Now, you can choose any one. Let's say I want to go with idea 1. So I am typing, "That's good." Let's say I want to go with idea 1 and make a 100-episode drama. Each episode will be 1.5 to 2 minutes long. Now can you please create a story breakdown episode by episode? And here you can see that GPT gave us the story breakdown. Here you will find an episode-wise storyboard. However, it is still not enough to create a full drama with consistent results and style. So, I will go with episode by episode, and every episode should contain the visual Bible to make it consistent. I will start with episode 1. And here it is, the detailed idea for episode 1 is ready. Now, I will copy the episode 1 details with the visual Bible and come back to the MovieFlow. Paste the episode 1 details in this box. After entering the prompt or idea, you can attach assets to the project from your device or asset library. For the first video, we don't need it. Next, you can set the video model. After that, the resolution. And then the language. You can create videos in 50+ languages. Next, you can enhance the prompt. After that, set the video duration. I will set the video duration to auto. Okay, now set the aspect ratio. I am going with portrait mode. In the end, you will find 2 options. Auto and manual. I will go with manual so that I have control. Okay, we are done. Now hit the make button from here. Now the video agent will take charge. First of all, it will create a detailed scene-by-scene screenplay from our idea. And here it is, the script or screenplay is ready. You can review it. I found it quite interesting. I love it. However, if you find any issues, you can fix them. Okay, once the script is set, the video agent will start generating key assets or elements, such as character images, locations, and props. And here it is, all the key elements are ready. We have got 3 characters, 1 location, and 2 props according to the scene. Now, if you find any issues with these, you can customize every image. Once you are done, just hit the generate button. Now, we will move forward to the storyboard mode. Here you can see the scene-by-scene detailed prompt for every scene, along with the assets. You can customize anything from here if needed. Once you are done, just click on the Make button, here. Now the video agent will assign Seedance 2.0 to create all the video clips using the prompt and the reference. And here it is, all the video clips are ready, and now inside a basic video editor. Let's have a look at the final video.
Adrian? Can you hear me? You're safe.
Welcome back, Adrian.
How long?
5 years.
My wife. She knows I'm alive.
She comes every week to visit someone else.
This looks really nice. A perfect hook for any short drama. I love it. Now, if you think you need to customize or regenerate any video clips, you can do it from here. You will find all the prompts and assets for the selected scene here. You can customize the prompt and regenerate the scene. You can even create a new scene from here. And the video editor section works like a basic video editor. You can trim, split, and extend the video. And a new scene. If you want to add a BGM, you can do it from here. Once you are satisfied with the result, click on the export button from here and save the video to your device. That's it. The first episode of our short drama is ready. And it looks really nice. Okay, our first episode is ready. Now, let's move forward to the second episode. To create the video idea for episode 2, I just typed, "Now, move forward to episode 2." And here it is. We get the full details. Now, copy the video idea and paste it into the MovieFlow Video Agent script box. Now, in this episode, we have to add all the assets that were in the last episode as a reference. I will add them from my asset library. Once all the assets are added, I will tag them inside the video idea or prompt. Just find the character or assets, type @ and then select the image. Make sure all the assets are tagged perfectly. Once done, we have to set all other settings from the bottom. Okay, we are set. Now, hit the Make button. Now, like the previous one, it will create the script and the key element images. Once all the key elements are ready, preview all of them and customize if needed. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. And here it is. Now we are in the storyboard. Now, preview all the scene-by-scene prompts. Once done, click on the Make button here. And here it is. The video clips are generating. Once the process is completed, we will get the final video. And here it is. Our second episode is ready. And it's amazing. Now, in the same method, you can create all the other episodes. Just follow the same workflow and you will get the polished video. So, now we can create a full short drama using MovieFlow AI and post it to TikTok, YouTube, or anywhere we want. And all of this is monetizable, so you can make money with it. So that's the whole process. If you want to use the same tool I used, I've got MovieFlow linked in the description. Go check it out and create your first AI video today. If you found this video helpful, a like really helps this reach more people, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, that's it from me. Go make something. I'll see you in the next one.